All right, so here's something I ran into as I was trying to create my data export, and I've seen a few of you have run into this as well. So we're going to try and get this sorted out and show you how to fix it so that you can get the proper file loaded up for your assignment. All right, so when I've got all the data loaded in here, you see I've got all my data tables populated. They look great. So you go up here as the instructions say to data export. Select your schema that you're going to export. Select a save location down here at the very bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and just stick with the default for now. And then you go to Start Export right here at the bottom. And you get this error, MySQL dump version mismatch, okay? And it took me a while to find this, but I found a way to solve this problem. So what you want to do is cancel that. If you tell it continue anyway, it will create a file, but your file will only have one line, and it will tell it to create the schema for the perfect pizza, and that's all. It will not include all of the fields that you need. So it should look something like this, where you're going to have a couple hundred rows of script, okay? So what you're going to want to do is you go up here to Edit, to Preferences, Administration, and right here, Path to MySQL Dump Tool. Okay, so you need to know where to find that. You're going to be able to find that if you'll search your installation files. Should be somewhere in your C drive. Get this scooted over a little bit so we can see it. So in your C drive, program files probably, and again, this may vary on your computer depending on how you did your installation, but it should be somewhere like this. Going down here, MySQL 5.7, bin, and you're going to go find the file that says MySQL dump.exe right there, okay? Open that up with that stored in here, tell it okay. Then you go back and you should be able to start your export, and this time no errors, all right? And once you're done with that, we can go back in and check out your final product. All right, so mine is in my my documents. It creates a dumps folder for you. Again, you'll want to use whatever location you stored right here, export to your self-contained file. And if you want to open it up as a notepad, you can check and see how it did. All right, and again, you're going to want a couple hundred rows there, and you're probably in the right ballpark of having a correct file, okay? So I hope that helps, and I'll be putting up a couple more videos here to hopefully help you guys out with these things.